I don't know if I'm gonna make it, but because my tablets is only 19%. I like this little ring light though, honey.
I don't know where this fucking line came from. I swear it wasn't here like a week ago.
Oh, my feet is cold. Can you throw me my socks on the chair, please, honey?
No, come help with this. You'll warm right up. I'm sweating.
Oh, thank you. I got it. I like this little ring light though.
Okay. About to take a dribble to this and just fucking grind it out.
Oh wow, it look like turn white already, honey.
No, that's wood.
I mean the color is turns light.
That's what wood looks like with no color.
Oh,
What the fuck caused that?
what time in the Philippines now, honey?
At 14. You do the math. I'm busy.
Just stretching. Oh. Oh.
I am tempted to just fucking ruin this shit out.
That's hard, honey.
You're hard.
Once you're gonna get a callus or in your skin,
What?
like like damage your skin, scraping it.
Nope.
No.
It's all smooth.
Oh.
You wish I had like an 80 grit
Haha.
and a 60. Hmm. Give up?
Not yet.
I give up.